Hello and welcome to this episode of the Day Trading Bootcamp. In this episode, we're going to talk about different styles of day trading. So first up, we're going to talk about the difference between a day trader and a stock trader. I am a day trader, not a stock trader. Some stock traders might refer to themselves as day traders, but I think there is a key difference. So stock trader, you're looking at different stocks. You have a bunch of monitors, checking prices, waiting for news, and report earnings and all that stuff. And you're finding one stock a day, or you're trading different stocks each day. But in day trading, you're sticking to 1 to 2 pairs every day. You're learning how that exact chart moves, and basically you're sticking to one pair. So I am a day trader, and that's what I will be teaching throughout this bootcamp. So next we're going to talk about the different times you can hold trades for and what time frames you trade on. So first up, we have scalp trading. This is where you're in a trade for anywhere from a second to a few minutes per trade. You're getting in on the 1 second to the 1 minute time frame. You're taking anywhere from 3 to 10 trades in a day, and you're just looking to take small moves within the market with a tight stop loss, and you're trying to get as many trades in the day as you can with the right strategy. Then we have intraday trading. This is where you're taking anywhere from 0 to 3 trades per day. You're holding them for anywhere from 15 to 60 minutes per trade, and you're usually taking it on the 1 to the 15 minute time frame. And you're looking for one medium-sized move within the day. You're looking for a good move, and you're just taking your profits where you can get them. So lastly, we have swing trading. This is where you'll be holding trades for multiple days to multiple weeks. You'll usually take it on the 1 to the 4 hour time frame, and you can take it on even bigger time frames. That's up to you. But usually you'll be taking around 1 to 6 trades per month. And this is where you'll be trying to catch big moves within the market with very large stop losses. The higher time frames are a little bit easier to predict and react to. So it's a little easier, but you'll be taking a lot less trades. So it'll be harder to learn unless you're backtesting a lot. So the way I trade is intraday, and that's what I'll be teaching throughout this bootcamp as well. But the strategies that I will teach will also work on any time frame because the market is fractal, which I will explain that in other videos, that the market is completely fractal. And lastly, there's different traders dependent on the different strategies that you use. So there's a bunch of different strategies, but the most popular ones are supply and demand or support and resistance. And then we have ICT concepts, and we have indicators, which I don't know if they really work, but I'm sure there's strategies. But I will be teaching ICT concepts. So this is supply and demand or support and resistance. So basically you're marking out levels where price is bouncing off of. We have the floor or support, and then we have resistance or the top, the roof. And basically you're just waiting for price to break out of one of the levels, and then you wait for a retest of that level, and then price to continue with that trend. And that's where you're looking to get entered. So if you like this strategy, I will not be teaching that in this bootcamp, but there's a ton of videos on YouTube if you want to learn how to trade like this. So next we have ICT concepts. This is how I trade. So basically ICT is the inner circle trader, also known as Michael Huddleston. He created ICT concepts, and the basis is that we are looking to target liquidity. Once price sweeps the other side, we're looking to target the opposite range liquidity, and we're looking for concepts to form that confirm that we're going to go in that direction. And pretty much ICT concepts are other concepts that he kind of stole and bundled into his own algorithmic system, but they work really well, and it's really complex, but once you find your own strategies that work, your own concepts that work for you, then it gets simpler, and it is definitely profitable once you learn. So lastly, we have indicators. This looks so ugly to me, but you can put indicators on your chart, and they basically will tell you the volume and other things that are kind of useful if you know how to use them. But I just don't think it's necessary, but there is definitely profitable ways to use indicators. So in trading, there's so many different strategies that work. It is going to be completely up to you. Trading is a very personal you versus you game. You have to be there to hold yourself accountable. You have to build a strategy. You have to know what you like to look at in the charts. So if you liked ICT concepts and how it looks, I will be teaching the concepts and I'll help you decide what concepts you like and building a strategy with ICT. So stay tuned for day number 8 tomorrow. Peace out. Thank you for watching.